Hi guys, good morning. Long time no see. I know. Anyway, I'm in Abuja in Nigeria. Finally, we're able to travel and get some holiday. So I'll take you along. But yeah, so this is a garden we're at to get breakfast. We've got Esther over there. Let me move the curtain. So it's like a garden. I'll show you the food when the food comes. Yeah, you wanna play with a big playboy like me? Oof. Yeah, you wanna chill with a big playboy like me? Oof. We're out here for kayaking. We're about to try kayaking. I've never done it before, but I'm excited. So let's do it. Exploration of Abuja. Tourism. Who's excited to try some kayaking as well? That we'll do the ball one, the one you enter the ball and then you're rolling. I don't know if I can make video, but I'll see if someone can make for me, then I'll have it for you guys. Okay, well, let's go Abuja trail. I'm so happy. Before we start, I had to go to the toilet. I'm just coming from the toilet now. I am purging. I thought I say I go chop. When I come to Nigeria, I go chop. If I want to purge, let me purge. I go chop. I have a list of things I need to eat before I go back. It has started. I'm eating and I'm purging. My gosh, peppery. This is beautiful though. It's lovely. And then down there we have the lake. It's not clear, it's not clean, but we just need the water. We don't need to swim it, right? So we go try. I love the way you kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breaths is where the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dream we have since we're the wild, and I will never let you go. So we finished kayaking, we finished. I didn't do bowling, but we finished. We're waiting for, I didn't hear myself. Waiting for our taxi to take us to the next thing. We're going to do archery.
Nice! Good.
Oh yeah!
Nice.
So close.
Good.
Very close.
Good. Aim very well. Aim. Cheekbone. Aim. Are you closing one of your eyes?
Yeah.
Both eyes, because your eyes are in 3 dimensions, right?
Yeah.
Close one eye, you won't get the shot.
Oh,
but let's see what you've shot.
To be open.
Yes, they must be open. Let's see. You're not bad, but you need to do more.
Better.
Yeah. Let's see.
I think you should do both your accounts, but I've never opened. I can't see when both of my eyes are open.
That's for, yeah, because you are used to that.
Oh.
But she's just starting. It's good that she has all eyes. Let's see. Oh, wow. Right, let's retrieve, guys. Yeah, you did better in this round. Hope you had fun here.
Oh yes, so definitely. Great fun. Great fun.
All right. Hope to have you back here again.
Definitely. I just wish I had more time. And if this sun is too much, if not, perfect.
Okay.
But that's obviously beyond your control. Everything in your control, perfect. So thank you.
Right.
For this experience.
Thank you for also giving me the accolade.
Our pleasure.
Where do we keep this?
So you come with it? Yeah. Hey, so Onyii here at the Art Club NG Abuja. She did well and she had fun.
Yes, I did. Great fun.
Great fun.
You guys should come here.
Yeah.
Forever in Abuja because you definitely enjoy it.
Yeah.
And you won't hurt yourself.
Accra Street, Use Zone 5.
Yeah. Yes.
Be
Accra
here.
Street, yeah. Zone 5.
Wakanda
Archery.
Unique garden.
So if you're ever in Abuja, there are things to do. I'll put the links down or put their Instagram account so you can go and look around and come. Why not? So don't say there's nothing to do in Nigeria. There is. Yeah. Then we'll now do bowling. Finish bowling! Yeah. This one is the winner. This is the winner. Back to our residence. And Gomo, it was good. Tired, but it's a good tired. So I have to say goodbye here. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Bye.